I need some chocolate to my coffee. So I will open this Kinder egg from the Natoon series. Also wondering what will be inside. I will check it for you. Yummy chocolate for my coffee. Ooh, but a bit broken. But no worries, I will eat it. Wondering what will be here in this yellow egg. I will show you in few seconds. Meantime, like this channel and subscribe. Ooh, something blue. What is that? Some parts. Oh, I think it is some kind of bird. Oh, it's a parrot, I guess. Yes, it's an ARA parrot. It's the biggest flying parrot in the world. What is interesting, it could have 100 centimeters long and weight 2 kilograms. Wow, nice. And these parrots could live 60 years. I believe it could be even more than you have. Much more. Okay, I'm trying to build this toy, which is not super easy, but it's going in the right direction. Yes, it is. Is this parrot flying? Yes, she can fly. Wow, I really like this toy. It is nice. Hello, parrot. You want some coffee? Drink some coffee. Nom nom nom. Yummy. What about the chocolate? I'm going to eat this chocolate with my coffee. Nice, thanks.